At Strong's Yachts, we believe every service experience should give you complete confidence in how your vessel is cared for. That's why we created Strong's Yacht Vision, our new quality assurance program built around transparency, accuracy, and exceptional care. Each time your yacht arrives for service, our team checks it in for performance, a detailed video walkthrough, and condition inspection before any work begins. We document everything from the hull, interior, to your engines and electronics, so you can see exactly how your boat arrived in our care. Once service is complete, we review the original inspection to confirm all work has been performed and your yacht is ready to be returned in top condition. Strong's Yacht Vision ensures consistency and quality, delivering peace of mind, personalized attention that defined our brand. Because at Strong's, it's not just service, it's your yacht, our vision.